My name is Pressley, and I'm an attorney at RSH Legal. After a serious motorcycle accident, getting a fair settlement may not be as easy as you think. There are a number of factors that are different about motorcycle crashes that need to be considered before you decide to file your claim. First, most serious motorcycle accident victims suffer from serious injuries because of the crash. These injuries are often so severe they can require months or even years of treatment. You may even need medical treatment for the rest of your life. This future medical treatment needs to be factored into your final settlement, or you'll be left paying for the treatment out of your own pocket. A knowledgeable motorcycle accident attorney can help you determine how much will be need to set aside for these future treatments. You also may not be able to work because of the severity of your injuries. On top of being in pain and facing expensive medical bills, you may face lost wages. If you don't factor this into your settlement amount before you sign the final paperwork, you will not be reimbursed for this lost money. One thing that many drivers claim after they hit a motorcycle is that they couldn't see the motorcycle coming. Their insurance company will try to claim that your headlight was not on, or there was something else defective on the motorcycle, or something that you did that caused the crash instead of their driver. The easiest way to disprove these claims is by showing your bike was street legal. In order for bikes to be considered legal on the road in Iowa, the Iowa Department of Transportation, the IDOT, it requires that you have a working headlight, a tail light, and a brake light. Of course, front and rear brakes, a horn, mirrors, working turn signals, and having pictures of your bike before the accident and keeping records of your tune-ups and repairs can help prove that your bike was not the cause of the accident. Driving a motorcycle is very different from driving a car or a truck. Understanding these differences often requires specialized expertise. That is why our law firm believes hiring an expert who understands motorcycles is an important step in handling your case. But this expert can study a number of factors that may have caused your crash, including measuring skid marks to determine the speed of all the vehicles, study damage patterns on all the vehicles to determine how the crash occurred, and study weather conditions on the day of the accident to see whether they factored into the crash as well. This expert analysis can help prove who was at fault for the crash, and in turn, this can help strengthen your case so you receive a fair settlement for your injuries. To learn more about what you're entitled to after an Iowa motorcycle accident, download our law guide to Iowa motorcycle accident claims.